One of the most important gifts any man can give to himself is taking time and sit in meditation and ask this question every single day, most of the time: where is your money, time and energy is spent? Maybe it's your office work, it's your creativity, or it's your family or lovers. Wherever you are spending most of your energy and time, then asking the second question: is it coming and arising, this decision, within yourself, or this is coming as a duty or responsibility from the outside? Because many times we have to do certain responsibility which is coming from outside, but it's very, very challenging to make it in your whole life. So if you are on the verge in your life where you have already achieved certain amount of success, or you are completely failing in your life, this is the right time to ask this question. Because unless and until a source of inspiration and motivation and purpose comes from within yourself, you can never be total. You can never focus your energy onto that totally, and you cannot be driven for a long time, whether it's business or job or anything. I have created Awakened Masculinity Training for men, and the second module of this training is all about you discovering your soul purpose. Once you know what you are supposed to be doing in your life and you have a very clear-cut understanding about it, there is no doubt that you will pour your totality and you will jump out of the bed every morning to go and do that work or that responsibility. Until late night you are full of energy, and that's the sign that you are on the right path. So if you are on that stage and if you need some support and holding, then you can come to Awakened Masculinity Training. 4.5 days dedicated for a single purpose, that you take some time, relax into yourself, and from that clarity understand what is your purpose. It's not only the purpose that comes from your education, society, or your parents has given to you. It is your own unique individual soul purpose. You're coming out of a survival-based life to a life which has a purpose and meaning in your life. And in your daily life, it's so many things happening that from that space of mind, whatever your decision comes, it is not arising from the depth of your being. So it is important to take some time. So in 4.5 days, we all going to come together, meditate, doing vision quest, going for walk together, eating, meditating together. And from that space, your mind start to relax and settle down. And from that relaxed mind, a clarity arises. It is almost like a muddy pond. Nothing is visible in that from the depth. The moment you take some time, not steer it, slowly the mud settles down, and from that space a clarity arises. So that clarity is a gift that can happen to you in this second module. And once you know that purpose, you have wholehearted intention and focus to go for that. Then power, money, sexuality is actually your passion. It becomes your passion, and you use it wisely because there is a clarity about it. So if you are on that space, come and join us. Last week we completed the first module of this training about sexual mastery. 32 men came from different parts of the world, and there were some men who were just 24 years old and 21 years old, and there were some men of 60-year-old. So all kind of nationality, age are coming together, and we are creating a new metamorphosis. So if this is calling you, come and join us. You're welcome.